Hello everyone, welcome to my program. I'm Joe.
Oh, Joe.
One day, a lady referred to the church for some problem she has before. She told to the church pastor, I've got two beautiful parrots, but both of them, unfortunately, are sloth. Yes, sloth, horny sloth. Both of them, female parrots. And what can I do that? Please help me, please help me. I want to solve this problem, huge problem for me. Dear pastor, and pastor, tell him you can bring two sloth parrots to the church and I will help you, lady. Pastor, so excited of this for that lady said, let's go. I'm so sorry, this is awfully. Your female parrot just use abuse word as a sloth, horny sloth. Okay, but I recommend you can bring two slothy horny parrots to the church. We have another two male parrots. Every time pray in front of the God. And I can recommend you again and bring two horny slothy to the church and maybe beside all so hard, slothy. That's my advice to you. Bring two horny sloth or pig. Lady, be so happy, excited of this nice recommendation, and tomorrow bring two slothy parrot inside the church, and a church pastor open the cage door and open the cage door and bring it in of these two slothy with his parrots, male parrots. That's all.
Oh, Joe.
One of two slothy parrots said, both of us are horny slothy. And one of the male parrot said, give up all pride and Bible. Our pride, all of our pride accepted by God.